Hey, welcome back to my channel. And today I will be customizing the latest line from Bee Stokes Styling. Normally I have the Bee Stokes Styling signature unit. Y'all have seen me do work over here plenty times before, but now I'm offering a new line. This is the Bold and Beautiful line. These are machine made 180 dents closure units. Normally my signature units are handmade, crafted specifically for each client. These would be more like my stock units that you're able to order, and they will be shipped out to you within that day or the next day, you guys. So if you are looking to order your unit and have it, right on the way, you don't have to wait for the 6 to 8 week custom time that it normally takes me, then the Bold and Beautiful line would be perfect for you. As you can see, these wigs are thick, honey. They're gorgeous. They are a 5x5 body wave with 180 density. So they are thick, okay? Thick. And I'm going through with some of the ones I have on hand, and I'm going ahead and customizing the closures. So even though they're not hand sewn, they still come to you ready to wear and glueless. As you can see, they have combs on the inside, they have an adjustable strap, and they also come with an elastic band. So you do not have to worry about if this is going to fit you, baby, because it's in there. And I'm going in and I'm bleaching the knots using the Schwarzkopf lightener and 20 volume, and I got it nice and thick till it's like a paste like consistency. And I went in and did this assembly line style. So I just went in and went to work, you guys. So I hope you all enjoy. I'll be back as I tell you what I'm using to rinse out this lightener in a minute. I let that process for about 35 minutes, and as you can see, those knots that laced, honey, it looks light, okay? And I went in, and as I would shampoo one closure, I would be toning the other. So I'm shampooing with a nice neutralizing shampoo just to make sure that we bring it on down, bring the pH balance on down. And then of course I had to tone it. You know that when you bleach your knots, sometimes they will come up a little orange or, a little yellow. So you definitely want to tone them back down using either something that is blue based or violet based, like maybe a blue shampoo. I didn't have a blue shampoo. I'm actually using some Redken Shades EQ, and I can't remember the formula exactly, but it was something with a lot of violet and a lot of ash just to tone out everything. So I went through and did that, and it just came out like perfect. Another thing is you see me rinsing out the hair. You see me running my fingers through. This is how you would shampoo or rinse out a wig. You don't want to do a whole bunch of scrubbing like you would with your scalp. You want to make sure that you're running your fingers through the hair. That's what's going to keep the hair from being tangled, keep all the cuticles going the same way, all of that good stuff. And lastly, after I got the wigs nice and dry and I was happy with the roots, honey, I went ahead and stored them in my Bee Stokes Styling storage bags. They are satin bags that you're able to place your wigs in, and you'll have them safe and sound. So if you're ready to order your unit, go ahead and shop my website, www.beesssu.com, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace. This is a quick snippet of my Go Without Glue course. Join this course if you are a woman suffering from alopecia so that you can learn how to choose, install, and maintain a medical wig. And for a limited time, I have a special promo code. Enter promo code INTRO to receive $50 off of this course. You do not want to miss it. Make sure you head on over to www.beesssu.com and join my course today. To everyone else, don't forget to follow me on all socials, links in the D box. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.